Hi, friends! Welcome to Kitty XYZ. Tap subscribe and let us learn and play.
Today we're learning fun prepositions with me. Let's play! The ball is in the box. Can you see it hiding? The book is on the table. It's resting right on top. The puppy is under the table. Let's look down and see. I'm standing next to the lamp, side by side. I'm hiding behind the couch. Can you spot me? Now I'm in front of the couch. You see me clearly. I'm between two chairs, one on each side of me. Look! The airplane is flying right over the house! Over! The picture is above the couch, higher on the wall. The shoes are below the bed, down on the floor. Look! My teddy is inside the backpack. Inside! Look! We're playing outside the house now. Fresh air and sunshine. I'm standing near the tree. It's really close to me. Now I'm far from the tree. Look! It's tiny behind me. I'm running around the tree, going in a big circle. I'm walking through the tunnel, light on both sides. I'm walking across the bridge, from one side to the other. I'm jumping into the ball pit. Soft and colorful.
I am walking along the path. Along, along, along we go.
I'm climbing up the steps. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going down the steps, slowly and safely. I'm sitting among the toys. They're all around me. Today, we learned fun prepositions. See you next time, friends.
Thanks, friends! Like, share, and subscribe.